Hi everyone! Welcome back to M Talk, where we talk about real life, questions, and all the M moments we have as women in our 40s. Ano,
Yes.
what's our topic for today, Rox?
Yeah. Our topic is, do we still have dreams now that we are in this age at 40? Do we still have
Mm,
aspirations, right? So,
mm,
are we still chasing dreams? Kumbaga, is it
okay.
not enough? Is it enough? So, I think, yun nga, I hope a lot of women will be able to relate to our topic today. Not just
Sure.
women, kahit
Yeah,
sino.
even, correct. Kahit sino, correct, agree with
Mm.
you. Tapos, I wanted to also bring up or, ask kung bakit ba natin
Mhm.
ni-name na M-Talk yung podcast natin.
That's a very good question. I think when we were
Ano
ano
nga?
no, when we were talking about having a podcast,
Mm,
since I think this is one of our common traits, if you will,
mm,
is we love learning new things. As I see you will like
mm,
join yung mga ano yan, yung mga conferences, or you like to listen to
mm,
other podcasts, yung mga ganyan. So one of my favorite venue to learn or platform to learn is TED Talk. I think ikaw din,
mm.
right?
Yeah, correct. Oo.
So being inspired by TED Talk, yun, naisip natin na M Talk in ano,
Agree. So
ano,
parang
inspiration
M,
doon.
oo,
Mhm.
mga M, mga moments, M, kaya ko pa ba?
Correct. And M being
Gusto,
mothers, the mothers that we
correct,
are. Yes.
right,
Ano pang M?
right. M, bakit hindi?
Or M
Another M.
dahil, yeah, M dahil we are MEMs in our own rights.
Yeah,
Right?
right, right,
Oo.
right.
Oo. Ayan.
Okay.
So before
Right.
we dive
I,
in dito sa ating topic for today,
mm,
siguro I wanted to ask you, ano yung experience mo or parang mga retrospective insights mo nung nag-start tayo last week sa ating first
mm.
episode? Anong mga masasabi mo?
I had a lot of I mean I think I had realizations no
Mhm.
from yung sa topic natin last week na when we had our discussion. So
Mhm.
like yung pag-uusapan natin today
Mhm.
na ang dami pala natin possible na pag-usapan
Mhm.
because we discussed starting something new part or when we closed our session last week we leave them with a question na parang ano yung you're afraid to do.
Mhm.
But I started with 40s, 50s, and 60s. But I
Mhm.
wanted to parang go back na parang,
Mhm.
hindi, it's any age, right? It's any age, kahit nasa 20s, kahit bata ka pa, starting
Mhm.
something new is still, at first scary. So
Mhm.
it applies to any age.
Mhm.
Ayan.
True, true,
How
true, true.
about you?
Ako ba? I think ang mga naisip ko is dati 'pag nakikinig ako ng mga how I speak 'pag naririnig ko yung sarili ko, parang it's so cringe, right? Parang
Oh.
pakikinggan mo yung sarili mo, ang cringe. So, I think
Ay,
it's
hindi
not
mo yung
about
ginagawa?
hindi ko ginagawa. Naka-cringe talaga ako sa sarili ko.
Oh,
Pero parang
okay.
ngayon, I am forced. No? So parang it's
Mm.
good na to get out of your comfort zone. Tapos I came across something then that says, okay, ano ngayon kung cringe? Parang it's not about changing what is
Mm.
cringing, but being comfortable to what is cringe,
To
what is
being
considered as
cringe,
cringe.
yes.
Okay, so
Yeah,
yun
yeah.
yung isa sa mga ano ko, realization
Agree,
ko.
agree. Alam mo ako, pinakikinggan ko lagi yung sarili ko.
That's good.
What I'm always doing is, let's say, hindi ko alam kung kailan siya nag-start, but
Mhm.
I video myself and
Mhm.
then I check how I do it.
Wow!
Ganon. Tapos
Hindi ko
parang iniisip ko
ginagawa
is,
yun.
hindi yung, aside sa, baka may gusto kang
Mhm.
baguhin na will be
Mhm.
better, pero it's about accepting anong itsura ko. Kahit na, I mean, whatever it is, anong itsura ko, tanggap
Oo.
ko ba? Parang ganon. So, may ganon akong,
Mm.
may ganon akong ginagawa sa life.
That's good, that's
Ayun.
good. Actually 'no, and it's
Mm.
also thinking about it, it's also very humbling kasi, I mean,
Mm.
I mean, isa din siguro ako sa mga, akala ng mga tao hindi ko alam, pero alam ko naman na judgmental ako, no? Pero like, now, look, alam ko naman yun, tanggap ko yun sa sarili ko. So, but like, when I heard myself, no, tapos yun nga, parang sabi ko,
Mm.
oh, ang dami kong, no, ang dami kong kailangan i-improve. So, I think
Ah.
it was a humbling experience for me as well. Pero yeah, maganda yung sinabi
Mm.
mo, na not just to think about what to improve, but also to accept na it is ganito ko eh. And so,
Yeah.
what?
Yeah.
Ah,
Agree.
that's good. That's very
Okay.
empowering. Thank you for sharing that.
Yeah, I know, right?
Right?
So, when you hear the word dreams, what
mm.
comes to your mind compared to when you were younger?
Hmm. Alam mo, when we decided on this topic, no, inisip ko din yan. Ano pa ba? Do I still have
Mm.
dreams? And what are they if I have dreams pa? Of course naman. I think we have dreams. It's just that maybe it's different now as compared to
Mm.
before when I was younger. Um,
Mm.
So, for example, ngayon, if I have dreams, I have considerations of the kids, the family, 'di ba? They're
Mm.
always
Mm.
included in
Mm.
whatever I want to have in life. And also, syempre, I question na, okay, am I being selfish kung ito yung dream ko para sa sarili ko?
Mm.
Will this be for, for the good of everybody? And by everybody, meaning, the people that surrounds me, ganyan. So, yun yung, I think, yung thought process ko na about having dreams. Eh, ikaw?
Mm. Ako, siguro nung bata, when I was younger, and I think it's the usual uh, trait, no, sa
Mhm.
mga, I don't know if it's also applicable to other races, but sa Filipino, sa parang kailangan meron kang bahay, may sasakyan
Mhm.
ka,
Hmm.
tapos, your career is, good, di ba?
Hmm.
Kasi usually, what defines, based on, I think, that's also a realization na parang your career is
Mhm.
is like that defines you.
Mhm.
You know, kung ano ka sa career mo. But technically, outside your career, hindi naman alam ng hindi naman alam ng mga marites mong kapitbahay o ng mga kaklase
Ah.
ng, not everyone would know what you really do at
Mhm.
work. Okay? So
True.
it's not
True.
a universal, kumbaga, uh, label, kumbaga.
Mhm.
So,
Mhm.
and then now na I think that something shifted when,
Hmm.
3 years ago when I moved here in Bulacan.
Hmm.
No, na parang, kasi ba, I was always dreaming of getting a house. Actually, no, bata-bata
Hmm.
pa ako. Lagi akong kumukuha ng bahay. And then
Mhm.
hindi ko siya natatapos. Kunyari, umpisa lang, mag-down payment ako,
Nagkolekta
ganyan.
ka ng bahay?
Oo, nangongelekta ako kasi hindi ko siya natatapos. Hindi ko siya nababayaran. Parang gano'n. So, it gets forfeited. Kasi
Mhm.
nga, parang, ko eh, madalas sa umpisa lang magaling.
Mhm. Hmm.
Gano'n, kasi parang may drive ka sa umpisa, you're excited about
Mhm.
the first. Pero yung parang i-sign up for it, pero hindi mo iniisip long term, kaya mo ba siya
Mhm.
na
Mhm.
matapos? Gano'n,
Mhm.
hindi ako nagka-plan ng gano'n. Parang, but
Mhm.
in the moment, ito yung pakiramdam ko, kukunin ko
Ah.
to. Gano'n.
Oo.
So, ganyan nangyari. Ito nung nakuha ko pero nung alam mo nung parang nakuha ko siya,
Mhm.
yung, ito, alam na,
Itong
nakalipat
bahay,
na kami
oo.
dito.
Mhm.
I don't know, there's something about, parang, ah, akala ko there will be something in me that would
Mhm.
be satisfied.
Mhm.
Pero I didn't feel that way for some
Hmm.
reason. Na parang, baka kasi hindi ito yung gusto ko. So, yun yung,
Mhm.
alam mo yun, yung ano, kung ganun ka din, na parang, or it's really human nature na when we get something,
Mhm.
na parang, I needed something more. The thing
Okey.
is, ang ano ko is, parang, if I needed something more, what is that?
Yeah.
Ako ngayon,
Mhm.
it's a blank space.
Okey.
Kumbaga,
No, I
ay
think
hindi ko
tama
siya
lang naman yun. I think ganun naman yung
mm,
human nature to your point. I think yun kaya sinasabi nila 'di ba
mm,
parang, tawag nito, 'pag meron kang gusto sa buhay, like whatever it is, parang yun yung sinasabi nila, the infinite game.
mm,
Right?
mm,
It doesn't really stop there. So parang if we
mm,
are trying to, kumbaga, associate our happiness na, okay, pag meron akong goal, nakuha ko to, will I be happy?
Mm.
But I think yung sagot nun, not necessarily. Maybe for a moment, pero
Mm.
after nun, meron ka ulit i-yearn. Whatever that is,
Yeah.
connected ba yun or hindi? So, yeah, so I think normal lang naman yun. Na, okay, and then what?
Mm. Ikaw
Right?
ba nung 20s mo, may
Mm.
mga ano ka ba, dreams? I mean, may natupad ba yung lahat ng dreams mo? Siguro yun yung
I
tanong ko
think
for you.
so. I think so naman. Like,
Mm.
very simple lang yung mga pangarap ko sa buhay.
Mm,
Dati, pero
mm,
syempre parang ano 'no, parang contrasting kasi parang in reality simple lang talaga yung gusto ko. Pero I think I got much more, alam mo yun? And there was
mm.
something that you mentioned the last time na also got me thinking nung sabi mo na, okay, parang meron kang mga dreams na or goals sa buhay na by this age dapat meron na akong ganito, ganyan.
Mm, mm.
Ako, nung narinig ko yun, actually nakalimutan ko mention sa'yo, I was thinking I wasn't like that. Parang I had
Oh.
dreams, I had goals, pero hindi siya
Mm,
nakatay na kung kailan ko siya dapat makuha. Is it a
mm,
good thing or a bad thing? I don't know. Maybe it's a good thing, it
mm,
drive you more.
mm,
Maybe it's a bad thing kasi parang medyo mafe-feel mo yung pressure, 'di ba? Or ano.
mm.
Pero kasi to your point, 'di ba? Parang everything will happen eventually in its own perfect timing, parang ganun.
Correct. Mm,
Oo. So ako siguro wala talaga, di ko talaga alam ko lang na mga simple yung buhay, gusto ko lang mga pangarap ko sa buhay, gusto ko magkapamilya, gano'n.
mm,
Or gusto
mm.
kong mapangasawa si Ryan. Yun yung ultimate goal ko sa buhay. Pero that
Ah,
doesn't mean na nakuha ko na okay na ako, parang gano'n.
mm,
Not
mm,
necessarily. Or meron pa akong isang dream to become master black belt, parang gano'n. So parang
mm,
usually nakakakuha ko ng inspirations or goal along the way. Parang
mm,
never kong naisip na maging master black belt or whatever. Parang at one point meron ako nakilala. Tapos parang, oh, ang galing nito ah. Parang gusto ko din maging
mm.
ganon. Right? So, yun. Kaya lang, to your point, pag nakuha mo na yun, oh, okay, and then what? Ano na naman? Ano na
Right,
naman
right.
gusto ko?
Oo.
Alang ganun. So, ako, it evolves. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing na dapat ganun din ba yung ibang tao or maganda bang approach yun. I
Mm,
guess it depends sa'yo kung anong ano mo. Pero
mm,
innately kasi medyo ano din talaga ako. As you know, 'di ba? If I want something, I lock in talaga and I you know,
mm.
I get it. I make sure that I get kung ano yung
Correct, correct.
naisip ko na gusto kong makuha. Ganun.
Alam mo natama ka dun. Actually, I think trait yun ng Virgos. Kasi yung asawa ko, ganun eh. Naisip niya na asawahin din ako. Tapos ayun nangyari.
Ganda.
'Di ba? Di, char. Oh, sinabi mo yun? Sinabi mo yun? Sabi ko, ala, ganun lahat sila.
Yeah,
So,
I think
ganun.
Virgos are
Oo.
go-getters. Yes.
Oo. Ayun. So, ayun, na-get niya ako. Char. Okay.
Get na get. Ganda-ganda.
Ayun. Nakakainis, 'di ba? Yun.
Sobra.
So, so, pero at this age ba, yun nga,
Mm.
babalik tayo sa question na,
Mm.
do we allow ourselves to dream pa?
Mm. Dapat naman, absolutely. I think we
Mm.
still should allow
Mm.
ourselves to dream. Maybe something different. Like, ano
Mm.
ba? Medyo siguro, ewan ko, kung kasama ba yun sa pagkatanda? Feeling ko ang tanda ko, parang iba na yung mga dreams ko sa buhay. Obviously, before,
Mm.
nung mas bata pa tayo, naisip natin gusto natin ma-promote, not necessarily, ganyan.
Yeah. Mm.
Alam mo, it's still good kung mangyayari yun ngayon. Parang, it's okay. If it happens, I think it will happen. Ang galing ko eh.
Mm.
Parang, ganun din yung thought process ko lagi. Parang, okay, if it
Ah.
happens, I think it's an eventuality. Especially
Mm,
sa
mm.
career. Wala akong masyadong
Mm.
talagang kailangan maging ganito ako or wala akong ganun. I just really feel that it will eventually happen when it happens.
Hmm,
It's bound to
mm.
happen. Parang ganun.
Mm.
Meron akong ganung klaseng confidence
Mm.
sa sarili ko. Ewan ko na lang. Pero like, yung mga dreams ko ngayon, iba na. Parang yung mga
Oh.
outside sa career, yung mga dreams ko, like yung nga, sa family, ganyan, sa mga anak ko,
Mm.
ganun na yung mga naiisip ko sa buhay.
Okay. Kaya
Eh,
sabi
ikaw?
ko nga sa'yo, ako naman parang, sinabi ko nga
Mm.
sa'yo na parang it's a blank space. And that's
Mm.
maybe because dahil nga siguro yung approach natin is different eh. Ikaw
Mm.
parang, kung ano ka nung medyo bata-bata ka,
Mm.
ako naman ganun ako ngayon. I
Mm.
mean, ganun ako ngayon. Baliktad tayo. Ikaw naman.
Ah,
Kaya siguro nagtataka ako na parang, ba't kaya hindi siya napagod? Kasi inisip ko nung bata-bata ka, ganyan ka.
ah,
Yung parang, hindi, gigil-gil ka lagi
ah,
sa mga kahit simpleng bagay.
ah.
Like,
Hindi, ganun din
hindi
ako.
siya napagod.
Kahit
Ganun
nung
talaga
bata
siya lagi.
ako. Hindi,
Oo,
kahit
oo.
nung mga bata pa ako, talagang ganun pa rin ako sa
Hmm.
work. Actually, worse pa nga eh.
Oo.
Down na tong nakita mong version ko sa work.
Oh,
So, yun nga,
sosyalan.
parang iba ako outside office. Hindi naman ako schizophrenia or anything, right? I think
Ah,
so. I'm not
ah.
diagnosed.
Let's check.
Let's check. But I'm really different pag sa office. Yun nga, I think it has
Hmm.
something to do with yung pagiging, ano ko, parang goal-oriented. Kasi sa office,
Hmm, mm.
very clear yung objectives and goals natin. So, I know parang
Mm.
alam ko, clear sa utak ko what we need to achieve. So, pag ganun,
Mm.
talagang focus din ako na, yes, and I
Mm.
pound, and I pound. And mas ano pa, mas muted na to, promise. Nga dati talaga, mas
Hmm.
grabe ako. So, mas mataas yung energy level ko. Dati talaga. Pero ngayon, mas ano na ako kasi medyo divided na yung, imagine, kung lahat ng
Hmm.
attention ko nasa wala pa akong mga anak, etc. So, lahat ng energy ko talaga nasa work.
May point, may
Right?
point.
So,
Oo.
ngayon, medyo divided na siya and medyo calmed na siya when it
Hmm.
comes to sa kung ano yung nakikita mo sa work. Kasi I have other things na, alam mo yun, kinakagigilan ko, kagaya ni Ryan. Joke lang.
Hmm.
Gigilin na senso.
Oo. So,
Ganon.
maganda yun 'no? Parang ako naman, ayun nga, parang sa'kin sobrang the dreams are just I think it's just calmness.
Mhm.
Yun yung ano ko ngayon, parang I think yun yung goal ko ngayon, yung calmness lang talaga. Kaya
Mhm.
pero siyempre hindi hindi puwedeng puro calmness lang, eh.
Mhm. Mhm.
It depends. I mean, there are things na yun nga, it does yung calmness hindi siya nag-a-apply. Pero
Mhm.
siguro I'm thinking dahil nga I've been working since I was siguro second year college when I
Mhm.
started working kasi doon ako
Mhm.
nag-asawa eh.
Mhm.
So siguro ewan ko is it pagod or may gano'n na talagang moment. I'm thinking there's just that moment na parang ano ka, magre-rest ka.
Mhm.
Magre-rest ka and then ano 'yan, parang you will kind of find that um, yung yung gusto mo ulit makuha next.
Mhm.
Okay nga
Yeah.
hindi wala talaga akong maisip. For some
Mhm.
it's not anywhere, it's not in any of my sight. Left, right, wala. Oh, ayun.
But
Ngayon
is that
ako ngayon
something
dream
na
ko.
ano, does that give you like anxiety kung hindi mo alam ano yung next goal mo? Or is it just because
Hindi.
hindi na okay? So I think it's a good thing. I think
Oo,
it's just because na you accepted na whatever it is that will happen, it's bound to, it's an eventuality.
mm,
Kung may magandang
mm,
mangyari sa buhay, mangyayari siya just because I am
mm,
confident na, alam mo yun, I have my shit together.
mm,
You know what I'm
mm.
saying?
Oo 'no, inisip ko din 'yun, inisip ko parang parang inaano mo na parang, tama ba 'yun? Wala. Pero sa totoo lang parang, wala, eh. I just want to parang eto na, I have accepted that this is it for now. Siguro inisip ko
Mhm.
for now, gusto kong sabihin na for now kasi it might
Mhm.
change because ayun nga,
Yeah.
for years kaya parang lahat gusto mo,
Mhm.
ma-achieve, eh, kahit ano man
Mhm.
'yun. So,
Mhm.
yeah, thank you for that na,
Mhm.
you validated yung gano'ng na it's fine, that it's okay.
Yeah, kasi I think
No.
sabi nga nila
Hmm.
life is parang kumbaga it comes in waves, 'di ba? Kung flat
Hmm.
'yan, parang patay ka na, flat line. Pero 'di ba?
Oo,
It comes
oo.
in waves. So sometimes meron kang
Right, right.
high na oh my God,
Hmm.
pero meron din sometimes na yun, yung in-betweens, which is dapat we
Hmm.
should be comfortable in that in-betweens. Kasi
Hmm.
yun tama ka. Maganda yung point mo na yun is in life talaga hindi naman lahat breakthrough. Right? You have to be
Hmm.
comfortable. And I think this is something na dapat matutunan din ng mga kabataan ngayon, di ba? Especially in this
Hmm.
digital age. na makikita mo lang palagi yung success ng mga tao, yung
Mm.
height ng career, pero you don't really see the in-betweens na what they had to go through to get there. Parang ganon. So,
Mm.
kumbaga kasi, kaya siguro maraming depression ngayon, di ba? Kasi parang naisip
Mm.
nila,
Mm.
bakit ang sa akin ang tagal? Parang bakit hindi ko nakuha?
Ah.
Right? Pero the reality is kasi hindi mo nakikita yun sa ibang tao kung ano what they had to go
Mm.
through to get there. Right? So just
Mm.
trust the process. Alam mo yun, be comfortable in the mundane things of life. Because in
Mm.
reality, a majority part of your life is mundane. It's just your everyday.
Mm.
And if you don't
Mm.
like it, that's a problem and that's what you need to fix. Right?
Right, right. Agree, agree,
Mhm.
agree. Oo, ngayon inisip mo na parang, bakit hindi ba ito yung gusto ko? Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
So sabi ko, hindi, ito yung gusto ko. I decided, ako pa naman
Correct.
pag ano ko parang
Mhm.
usually when I decide for something, I don't regret it.
Mm.
Once I decided for something, I don't regret it. I
That's
just
good.
parang, kung mali siya, edi mali siya. Edi mali
Oh,
siya, and then I'll just make it
live
right.
with it. Yeah.
Oo, ganun. So, pero, ganun ako, I always want to move forward, kumbaga.
Oh.
Tapos, nung bata-bata ka, ano
Mm.
yung dream mo dati na ngayon nakakatawa na lang?
Natawa agad kahit hindi ko pa naisip kung ano yun. Ano nga
Oo, 'di
ba
ba?
na nakakatawa na lang? Hindi ko
Oo.
maisip. Ikaw, may naisip ka na? Hindi ko maisip. Pero
Ang
magandang
dami,
tanong yan. Madami.
Oo, ang dami. Oo.
Ano,
Kasi
example, sige
ang dami,
nga.
kasi nung bata ako, 'di ba, ang dami kong gusto.
Oo,
Oh,
oo, oo.
nung bata ako,
Hmm.
kasi nga may tindahan kami sa palengke.
Oo.
So nung bata ako, so yung tindahan namin na yun, parang malaki sa palengke, it were like
Hmm.
a wholesaler, retailer. So yung mga
Mhm.
maliliit na tindahan sa area namin,
Hmm.
tatawag sa'min, ta's order, ta's ide-deliver namin
Mhm.
sa kanila, ganyan.
Oo, oo.
So ako, nanaginip ako na parang meron akong supermarket na
Okey.
3 floors, may mga
Aha, aha.
escalator, ganyan. Ta's
Ah.
ako lang tagakuha ako ng mga ano, kasi sa palengke 'di ba kumukuha ng mga yung
Oh.
daily na parang may
Ah.
daily silang
Oo.
rent, kinukuha sa
Mhm.
tindahan, gano'n yung ginagawa ko.
Oh.
Nanguho lang ako ng daily rent,
Ah.
renta, charot,
Oo,
gano'n.
oh.
So iniisip ko yun na parang meron akong mall or
Oh.
basta supermarket. Yun yung
Yeah.
na
Yeah.
nakakatawa kasi it never, although ngayon I'm parang nagbebenta-benta ako, nagre-resell
Uh-huh.
ako.
Oo.
But when nung medyo nagkapamilya na ako and whatsoever, ang pag-iisip ko dahil nga yung family ng parents ko are all related sa pagtitinda,
Sa
baboy, kahit
retail,
ano yan,
oo, ganyan. Oh,
mantika,
oh.
bigas, chuchu, kahit na ano, 'pag sa palengke, gulay.
Hmm,
'Pag pumunta ka sa
hmm.
palengke, libre ulam namin, eh. Kasi kunyari, bili daw po si mama ng kare, "O sige, sa mama mo 'to, ayan lagyan mo 'to." Ganyan. So, hindi kami bumibili kami. So, parang
Oh,
ta's yun nga, yung childhood ko is nasa palengke, yan.
oh.
Kaya sabi ko nga sa'yo, kaya ganito yung bunganga ko. So so nung nag-aaral na ako, hindi I wanted to be different. I
Mhm.
don't want to be on
Okey,
that career, ayoko siyang maipasa sa'kin. Yun yung naisip ko,
uh-huh.
parang it has to be
Mm.
something different. It cannot be
Oh,
the same na magtitinda rin ako. Although I
oo.
like making benta, pero sabi ko, it has to be something professional that I do,
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
gano'n. Gano'n yung nangyari. So, kaya sabi ko magti-teacher ako kasi nung bata ako gusto ko mag-teacher. Lagi ako nag-teacher-teacheran, yung mga bata sa labas, kahit di ako
Oh,
teacher-teacheran kami.
hmm.
So, ayun, nag-graduate ako ng teaching, pero yun, hindi naman ako nagturo. So,
Pero alam mo,
hmm.
ako naman dati gusto ko maging doktor. Pero kung hindi ako magiging doktor, kasi alam ko
Oh.
parang matagal yun, tapos syempre may ano, parang hindi ako sure kung susuportahan ako ng parents ko sa pagiging doktor, parang ganun. Syempre, ilan,
Oo.
10 plus years, di ba? Tapos yung next dream ko is to become a teacher. Parehas tayo. Sabi
OMG!
ko, kung hindi ako magiging doktor, magiging
Hmm.
teacher ako. Kasi nung
Hmm.
nag-aaral nga ako ng pre-med, parang yung mga doktor, teacher din sila. Alam
Hmm.
mo yun? So, parang okey, gusto ko mag-guro na lang, gano'n. Oh,
Anong
so ano
pre-med? Anong kinuha mo
nangyari?
nung pre-med?
Ano, PT, physical therapy. Yun yung
OMG!
pre-med ko. Ang layo,
So,
'di ba?
mina-massage mo si Charet? Alam mo, so, nung
Oh,
pero nung nag-entrance exam ako sa
hmm,
school ko, BS Bio kinuha ko kasi I wanted to also
Hmm.
be a doctor. Pero dahil
Hmm.
nga parang na-pressure ako na, 'di ba sabi ko nga sa'yo, ayoko mag-fail.
Hmm, hmm,
So,
hmm.
mamimili ka kasi ng tatlong bagay dun nung nag-ano
Hmm.
ka, nung yun nga na entrance exam, ano yung tatlong courses, 'di
Oo.
ba? So, syempre yun napasa ko yung tatlo. So, pinapili ako kung ano yung tatlo. BS Bio, tapos may accounting, and then yung, kasi nga
Hmm.
para business management, iniisip ko
Oo.
baka magtinda ako. Char.
Oo.
Tapos tsaka yung education. Tapos, pipiliin ko
Oo.
sana yung BS Bio, pero
Oo.
nung nakikita ko yung mga BS Bio
Oo.
students, sabi ko, ano, nakakatakot. Tapos may dala sa mga black bag, mga ano
Oo.
yung patay na po sa'yo, whatever. Sabi ko,
Oo.
parang ang iniisip ko, hindi, gusto ko na makatapos kagad. Ano yung
Hmm.
pinakamadaling
Hmm.
route? Sabi ko, na parang, hindi, sige, dahil inano ko na, nung bata ako, wala naman akong ginamot. Char. Nag-teacher din. Tsaka yun nga, mahaba
Wala
yung,
ka naman
yung
ginamot.
bars.
Buti naman wala kang ginamot, 'no?
Ginamot ko lang yung sarili ko,
Oo.
kakalaksan-laksan,
Oo,
FR.
oo.
Sabi ko, ay hindi, ano lang, eduk na lang.
Oo.
Hence, yun, eduk
Hmm.
yung kinuha ko. Ayun. Ikaw, ano pa yung mga nakakatawa mo
Pero
na
okey, anong nangyari sa supermarket dreams mo?
wala. Kasi nga, kasi
Ay.
nga, kasi
Oo.
parang it was like,
Hmm.
suddenly, alam mo yun, dahil nga mabenta yung tindahan,
Hmm.
hindi yung pagma-manage, yung kasi, 'di ba, pero siguro yung basic na pag-aaral na parang,
Mhm.
yung parang debit credit.
Mhm.
Pero natutunan ko na yun nung napag-aralan ko na siya sa school na parang, ay, dapat pala may ganito kami, mga ledger,
Yeah.
chu-chu, ganyan. Hindi kami
Oo.
gano'n, wala kaming gano'n, parang ano yung benta, ikot-ikot lang, gano'n.
Mhm.
Pero the thing is, we're not able to check, ito lang ba talaga dapat yung benta? How is it sa inventory? Yung
Mhm.
gano'n, parang nagma-match ba siya?
Oo.
Hindi kami gano'n, parang
Ah.
naturally nag-evolve lang yung tindahan, parang gano'n.
Hmm.
So, dahil hindi namin nakikita yung mga bagay na dapat nakikita ng isang business-minded na person,
Mhm.
ganyan. So hence,
Hmm.
limit ng limit yung tindahan namin. Tapos, ayun pa rin, actually, ako naman, pero proud ako kasi yun yung nag-sustain
Mhm.
sa family namin, kaya
Yeah.
kami lahat nakatapos.
Yeah.
So, pero ayun, until sa limitan lumiit siya, and then sa bahay na lang kasi nga sila, ay mga
Mhm.
parents ko,
Hmm.
nagtapos na naman kami, they don't
Hmm.
need to be,
Yeah.
parang magbenta sa palengke. Pero
Mhm.
yun ang gusto nila. Pero yun nga, kaya yun, ang nangyari, sa bahay na lang sila. Pero ako,
Oo.
I was thinking, hindi yun yung life na gusto ko. I
Okey.
want na parang, paano, ano, iniisip ko, or dahil nag-try ako na magbenta, sometimes I'm successful and sometimes I'm not.
Mhm.
Gusto ko may routine. Hence,
Hmm.
I want to be an employee.
Hmm.
Yun yung,
Why not?
yun
Oo.
yung gano'n. So, parang,
Hmm.
kaya nga pag nanonood ako ng parang,
Mhm.
may mga pinapanood tayo na parang, mag-ano ka, maging business person ka
Oo.
kasi that's
Oo.
where the money is.
Mhm.
Ako parang, hindi.
Yeah, it's
Hindi.
not for
Not
everybody.
everyone is built for, yes,
Yes.
it's not for everyone. Correct.
Yeah.
Agree.
Yeah, at least as long as
Ikaw?
alam mo kung ano yung
Hmm.
gusto mo. Alam mo, marami akong mga nakakatawang looking back. I was actually thinking, sobrang delulo ko, nung bata
Hmm.
ako. Marami akong mga delusions. Actually, kahit hanggang ngayon naman, delulo pa rin ako. Like, for example, nung bata ako, kasi I come from a broken family. Okay, so parang
Hmm.
my dad and my mom, they separated ng maaga. I guess they were too young
Hmm.
din kasi siguro to start a family, whatever, right?
Hmm.
And then, so nasa ako, nagpalaki sa akin, either lola ko or tita ko. Right? So,
Hmm.
mga delusions ako dati na, sa kakanood ko siguro ng mga drama at saka mga movies. Kaya may mga ako,
Ah.
niisip ko na, may darating, gano'n, may darating, tapos
Hmm.
ampun ka lang. Ampun ka lang, ako yung tatay mo, totoong magulang
Ah.
din nila ako. Alam mo yun, may mga gano'n. Basta mga
Ah.
gano'n yung mga out of this world yung mga delusions ko. Marami
Mm.
akong mga naiisip na kung ano-ano. Hindi ko na siya naki-keep track. Dapat siguro sinusulat ko, 'no? Yung mga
Actually 'no, kasi hindi
sa
natin alam na magka-podcast tayo ta's matanong, eh.
oo. True,
'Di ba?
malay mo magkatotoo, 'di ba? Ta's
Oo,
maano mo,
'di
"Ay,
ba?
inano ko pala 'to dati, iniisip ko pala 'to
Oo,
dati."
'di ba?
Parang 'di ba, I think so. So marami akong
Nagjo-journaling ka ba dati? Nagjo-journal ka na
hanggang
dati?
ngayon, naman.
Oh,
Pero iba
sa
na
alam
siyempre
mo
yung journaling ko ngayon. Parang ano na lang
like
siya,
what?
junk, gano'n. Kung
Mm,
ano-ano.
mm, mm, mm.
Ikaw?
Yung nasa utak mo, ayan naman.
Oo,
Kasi iniisip
oo.
ko, kung nagjo-journal ka dati, nandun yan malamang, yung parang diary.
Totoo.
Hindi ako nagaganon eh.
Ah, pero ang
Kasi
ano
hindi
ay
may ah,
o kung nag-journaling man ako or na-diary ko, malamang siguro nasulat ko yun somewhere. Kaya lang, hindi ko na alam kung nasaan na yung mga, ano yun.
may
Kasi,
point ka.
kasi
Alam mo yun?
parang, hindi ko alam kung ma-feel bad yung daddy ko. Hindi naman siguro siya makikinig. And totoo naman.
Send ko sa kanya, send ko sa
It's
kanya.
feel bad kasi that's the reality. So parang ganun, parang
Ah,
yun yung mga gusto ko sa buhay, parang sarili kong pamilya, sarili kong bahay,
mm,
ganun. Kasi parang for the longest time, since
mm,
mahiwalay sila at nakikita lang ako sa mga relatives, parang it's always
mm,
been felt like hindi ko bahay yun, alam mo yun? So I'm
mm,
glad that eventually it happened din naman. Oh, and mas
mm,
maganda yung yung parang naging outcome. Yun. Dati rin si Ryan.
mm.
Dadasal ko lang yun, ganun. So, I think, yeah. Yun yung pero marami talaga mga kung ano-anong out of this world na mga delusions sa buhay. Pero I think dapat ganun tayo lahat, no? Meron tayong mga delusions.
Yeah, oo. Ako nung ako din kasi nung bata-bata ako, mahilig akong kumanta, sumayaw, ganyan. So
Mm,
sabi
mm.
ko, mag-aartista ako.
Oh, why not?
Di ba? So pero,
Oo.
ayun, I think nasunod naman siya. Char.
Oo. Bakit hindi?
Artista ako eh. Di ba?
Oo. True,
Artista
true,
in my
true.
own way. Ayun.
Yeah, oo. Pero sa tingin mo, yung delusions mo about delusions or yung mga dreams mo about having supermarket, ganyan-ganyan, gusto mo pa ba i-pursue?
Ah,
Ayaw mo talaga. Ito na yung gusto mo.
hindi.
Ito na yung
Hindi.
gusto mo.
Siguro
Oh.
kapag nanalo ako sa loto.
Ayan.
Parang
Magandang ano
it's
yan.
another
Oh.
parang may gusto ko mayroon akong work.
Oo. Ah,
Pero side ano siya,
alam mo,
yan lang. Pero not my
parehas
main
tayo.
ano. Ano?
Parehas tayo. Kasi ano naisip. Okay, ito yung ano ko din, ito yung question ko, no. If time, 'di ba?
Ah.
If time, money, you have parang everything at your
Mm.
disposal. Hindi problema yung time, hindi problema yung
Mm.
money. Walang hindi factor to. You have everything that you need. Everything. Ano yung ano mo, yung ultimate dream mo? Ano yung gagawin mo? Kaya, yan, nanalo ka sa loto,
Ah,
merong
ah, ah.
billions and billions of pesos or dollars. Okay. How will you parang change your career? Will you pivot your life, shift your life?
Mm.
Oh. Mm.
Alam mo dahil sinabi mo 'yan,
Mm.
hindi. Pero ang gusto kong gawin is bumili ng beach house
Ah.
sa Boracay or property na malapit sa dagat. Kasi
Ah.
serena ako. Charot lang, hindi ako marunong lumangoy. Para madali mag-transform, char.
Ah,
Hindi, pero
ah, ah.
yun lang. Pero yun na yung gusto kong gawin. Tapos siguro, ayun,
Mm.
bayaran yung lahat ng dapat kong bayaran.
Ah.
Ayun, yan lang. Pero hindi mag-change, I don't wanna change, I don't wanna change a thing. Ganon. Parang
Yeah,
siguro,
that's
I have
good.
all that time, then I would want to learn kung ano yung mga gusto ko pang
Totoo,
ma-achieve.
no? Oo.
Oo.
Totoo. Gaaral ka
Eh,
pa
ano
ng
ko
ano
sa
niyan,
hype eh.
snowflake. This is
Oo,
not
di ba?
sponsored, by the way.
Yeah, sorry.
Oo.
Oo nga,
Just,
nung napuso nga yung coding na yan,
ah,
sabi ko, naku, dapat talaga nag-BS Bio ko na para nurse ako eh. May ganun-ganun
oh,
ako. Dapat
oh,
mas maraming pera sa mga coding eh. Yung mga ganyan
oh,
iniisip ko
oh.
dati. Para, kaso wala na akong time. Kasi ilang years yon, di ba?
Oo.
Ayun.
Tapos
Pero
yun
if I
nga,
have the
ano ka
time,
pa,
I would
mother
learn
ka
more.
pa, 'di ba? So,
Mm, mm.
yun. So, actually
Ikaw?
parehas tayo. Ako din, I will not change a thing. Alam mo yun, I
Mm,
just probably will add, things that will
mm.
add value to my life, to my ganyan. Parang inisip ka nila, parang minsan pag nag-uusap about retirement, ganyan, anong retirement? Hindi
Ah,
ako magre-retire.
oo.
Iniisip
Iniisip
ko,
ko nga, sabi,
ina-imagine ko yung sarili ko na sobrang tanda ko na tapos pumapasok ako sa office. Alam mo yun.
mm,
Tapos
mm.
sasabihin, ito yung sa mga delulo ko.
Ah,
Mga yun nga, well, nung nagtatrabaho. Tapos iisipin ng mga tao, shit, kailan ba ito lalayas dito sa kumpanyang to? Yung parang busit na sila sa akin, gano'n.
oo,
Tapos ako
magpa-follow up ka
talagang
na naman
hindi ako
daw.
magre-retire, bahala kayo diyan, alam mo 'yun. So gano'n. Tapos iniisip ko din parang isa sa mga dilulo ko, so ano, sobrang dami kong pera, wala na akong, mapaglagyan, parang gano'n.
Mm, mm.
I think I will still do this job. Tapos parang pwede ba yung sasabihin ko sa sabihin ko mag-hire ako ng executive assistant ko, gano'n. Tapos
Ikaw
bigyan mo sila ng
magpapasahod.
access, ako magpapasahod, bigyan ko siya ng laptop, bigyan niyo lang siya ng
Ah,
access sa calendar ko, ayusin niya yung buhay ko, alam mo 'yun. Tapos para
ah,
meron ka lang time mag-isip ng mga bright
ah,
ideas, alam mo 'yun, solve
mm,
problems, gano'n lang. Pero hindi mo na i-manage yung everything else na
admin.
administration.
Mm,
'Di ba? Gano'n yung mga ko, gusto ko sa buhay.
mm.
'Di ba?
Ako
Maganda
ako
'yun, 'di ba?
naisip ko naman yung parang pag mag-grocery ka, hindi mo na
Oh,
iniisip kung ano yung price. Yung
totoo.
gano'n, or kahit
Maganda
ano
din.
lang.
Ay,
Oo,
gusto ko
maganda
'to,
yun.
gano'n
Pero,
lang.
gusto ko 'to, gano'n. Hindi mo isipin na, "Sandali lang, tama ba nabiling ko 'to ngayon, may pambili pa ba ako next week?" Gano'n. Hindi ko iisip
Mm.
yung gano'n. Yung budgeting. Ang hirap kasi
Ako naman
mag-budget.
iniisip ko, kakasya ba 'to sa ref, gano'n, or kakasya ba 'to sa parang sobrang
May
dami
point,
mong
may
ref,
point.
gano'n.
Correct, 'di ba? Tapos ang tanong,
Kahit anong bilhin
mauubos
ko
mo ba siya
oo,
before the expiration?
oo, gano'n. Oo. Kasya
Correct,
ba 'to
correct,
sa
correct.
sa cabinet? Kasi hindi na cabinet,
Hmm,
pantry na.
hmm, hmm.
Gano'n, 'di ba?
Taray! Mataray,
Kasi
mataray.
hindi naman sa hindi naman sa pagbubuhat naman ko, pero hindi ko naman na masyadong iniintindi yung price. I think hindi naman yun
Hmm,
because of who I am now, but just because ganun lang
hmm.
ako before, which is a problem, right? But
Oo,
then,
oo.
yun yung ang considerations ko, kasya ba to sa ref ko,
Hmm,
ganun, or yun nga,
oo,
mapapanisan
oo.
ba ako, or whatever, kakainin ba to. So, ganun. I think
Hmm,
yun yung mga magandang, good problems to have
yeah.
eventually. Right?
Oh, eventually. Correct, agree.
Ah,
May mga ano ba, may mga dreams ka ba na dinelay mo because of work or family,
maganda.
and responsibilities? At
Maganda.
syempre yun, because of work, family, fear or
Mhm.
responsibilities. Meron ba?
Wala naman. I think wala akong maisip na dinelay
Hmm,
ko,
hmm,
I said pero meron akong mga ginusto sa buhay dati, but this is so parang boring. Um,
hmm,
Related din sa work, alam mo yun na I said no to because of things that are parang yun yung situation ko nung time na yun. But looking back,
hmm,
hindi din naman ako yun, to your point kanina, ganun din ako. Parang when I decide on something, kung ano pa yan, magandang outcome ba yan, mahirap ba yan, this is
hmm,
my choice, I will live by my choice. Parang,
hmm,
I don't think about, baka mas okay sana kung yun yung parang opportunity na kinuha ko. Alam mo yun? I guess
hmm,
yun lang yung
mm,
ko, like, meron akong mga opportunities that I had to turn down. It would
hmm.
I would have earned more, alam mo yun? Mas malaking
Oo.
sahod, ganyan-ganyan. I had to
Agree.
turn down because parang it felt like it wasn't the right decision for me at that time, right? Pero one of the
Hmm,
things that Ryan and me spoke about is especially sa mga decisions about moving organizations, moving company, or changing careers. One of the things that we spoke about was that we will never base our decisions we will never base our decisions based on money. Tama ba yun? Dami kasing base kaya hindi ko maintindihan kung tama ba yung grammar ko.
okey.
But our decisions will not be based on money. Alam mo yun?
Hmm,
Maybe
hmm,
it's one of the considerations, obviously, kasi you need to feed your family.
hmm,
Alam mo yun? You need to sustain your lifestyle. Pero hindi yun yung primary na parang factor to consider when you are making a decision. Parang you will not make that
hmm.
decision because of
Ano yung
money.
ano nun, can you enlighten me, bakit? Bakit
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 hindi?
hindi siya
Kasi
aside sa
siguro
hindi mo problema yung pera,
aside doon,
ano ba? Oo, oo, oo.
I think only because mm, ano, parang we fear yung yung parang greed. Siguro it's more towards yung
Hmm,
fear namin about maging greedy ka sa money. Alam mo yun? Na parang you
okey.
will lose sight of other things that may be more important than money. Yun. And
Mm,
then for the most part, yun na nga, we are been blessed, I think, and na kahit hindi namin iniisip yun, it happens.
hmm,
Alam mo, nakukuha
hmm,
naman namin eventually na okay naman yung, alam mo yun, masaya naman kami. Not to, parang not to glorify or support yung parang, alam mo yun, parang, ano man tawag dun? May ang tawag dun eh. Yung parang okay ka na. Okay, wala ka ng pangarap sa buhay. It's not,
stable?
oo, yung parang meron kang, meron, I can't find the word. if you guys know the word,
Sige,
comment
sige.
below.
Yeah.
Yung may mga meron talagang feeling na parang not about being content in a bad way. It's not about
Mm.
that. It's just parang yun na nga, trusting the universe will align and you will get it eventually.
Got
The
it.
universe
Okay.
know the deepest desires of your heart. Parang this may
Mm.
be cliche or parang ang corny, pero sa totoong
Mm.
buhay, yun yung parang ganun yung faith namin. Na
Mm, mm, mm.
the universe or yung spirituality na alam niya kung ano yung desires ng puso mo and you will have it. Parang
Mm.
you just have to trust
Oh.
in the process, trust in him, and then trust in your ability to make it happen. Ganon.
Mm, 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 mm.
Yun. O ikaw,
Dahil sinabi mo yan, parang
Mm.
may nabasa ako na parang, it's always going to be a problem because it's because of how you manage it. Yung parang ganun. Kasi dahil kung ikaw hindi mo problema yung pera, sometimes, ako, problema ko yun. It's parang, but tama ka doon, parang, hindi, ang nangyayari is, parang, kumbaga, kailangan mo siya, and then, it will be provided to you. Parang, eventually, it will be provided to you. Parang ganon. So, pero yun yung, aside doon, ayun, I think, nung meron ba akong dinelay or pinospone because of work, family, or responsibilities?
Yeah.
Tingin ko naman, hindi naman sa na-postpone siya, pero minsan delayed lang. Diba? Or kasi nga sinabi ko, na parang may timing siya eh. Right? Or parang nabago yung version.
Yeah.
It can be something possible na it's part of it. It's not the whole entire dream na gusto mo, but it's a step towards getting it.
A step closer.
So kasi nga, right, kasi nga parang mas ready ka na. Siguro it was not given to you kasi nga, again, it's not yet the right time and you're not ready yet. Ganon.
Yeah. Naisip ko na pala yung word. Mediocre. Parang yung it's not about being mediocre, 'di ba? Parang it's just yun nga, trusting your ability, trusting the will, of the universe, of God, parang yun yung And saka nakakatakot.
Okay.
Ewan ko, nakakatakot. Naisip ko nga minsan, sabi nila parang, yun, meron ako nakikitang meme about, parang, sabi nila parang, yung fear mo, pag may fear ka, lalong binibigay sa'yo. Parang ganun, to test you. Tapos merong meme na parang, Lord, parang, natatakot ako sa milyon-milyon pera, tapos darating yung sa'yo. Parang ganun. Pero it's not.
Naisip mo?
It's what
naisip ko na parang pag meron.
what money will do to you. Parang if you are not ready. Doon sa sinabi mo yung hindi ka pa ready, 'di ba? To receive such kind of responsibility, such kind of whatever, right? Power, yun. So parang kaya parang pag may something na may pinapresent sa amin na na opportunity, tapos parang yun nga, di ba? Minsan nakakabulag, nakaka-tempt, yes. Mas malaking to, pera to. Pero think about other things too, not just the money. Parang gano'n.
Kasi more money, more responsibilities din. Tsaka
more problems.
Iniisip ko na parang, minsan na parang, kailangan mo ba ng ganun kalaking pera? Yeah. Although minsan masaya ka na marami kang pera, pero iniisip mo rin in a long term na parang, do you really need that? That much? Ano naman yung naiisip mong amount? Kasi nga ako, hindi ko, kumbaga gastador ako eh. May ako, basta meron. Hindi siya yung parang i-gatekeep ko, ganun. Hindi ako ganung, which is good and bad. Kasi nga, ganun ako parang, di ba, sabi ko sa'yo, yung sa family nga namin, business namin, di ba? We're ganun kami. Yung parang, hindi kami, parang, pag may kailangan, may need, may kailangan ng tulong, whatsoever, hindi kami mag-hesitate. Without even, parang, titignan mo muna, tama ba? Hindi ka
accounting ka muna. Ganun.
Oo, mag-check out. Pero dapat may ganun. Pero hindi. Until now, I think I have that, ganun pa rin ako. Usually. Ayan. So, ayun. So, meron ba tayong dream na we still want to start or continue?
Hmm. Alam mo, ako, siguro kung ano yung kung meron na isa pa sa mga dreams ko is maybe something related sa, tawag niyan, gusto ko eventually mag-open ng school for ano, for
Hmm.
for kids with special needs, okay? Inspired
Ah.
kay Caleb. Okay, kasi siyempre, alam mo yun, and I don't know if it's just my ignorance or my lack of parang exploring ko ano yung opportunities, but I just feel like dito sa Philippines, we lack yung ganong klaseng, I think, at least yung expectation ko na people like Caleb should have in terms of
Hmm.
opportunity. Parang ganon. Yun yung gusto kong ano.
Hmm.
I think yun yung gusto kong, I'm
Okay.
still trying to figure out how, pero yun yung parang gusto kong maintindihan how to go about it. Do I have the, capacity and the capability eventually to make that happen? Ayun. Ikaw?
Okay. Ako, ano lang talaga, siguro better health.
Yeah.
Tapos, build something na outside work. Kasi, ay nga, ganun pa rin ako ngayon. I mean, there's still that thinking na parang I'm defined with what I do
And
sa
I
work.
think it's okay. Bakit hindi? Alam mo, meron akong
Hmm.
nakitang ganyan. Like for example, may sinasabi
Sige.
sila na hindi ko maalala kung sino sa mga influencer na fina-follow ko yung nagsabi nito. And parati ko 'tong naiisip, and ikaw, ano yung tingin mo dito, ha? Sabi nila, parang when you introduce yourself, 'di ba? Parang, how do you introduce yourself? Ganun yung una. Like parang, you should parang think about how do you introduce yourself. So siguro sabihin ko, I'm married, I'm a mom of two, ganyan, or ganito yung
Mm.
work ko, ganyan, etc.
Mm.
Parang hindi daw dapat gano'n. Dapat you shouldn't be
Mm.
defined by you being married or you being a mom or whatever. Or yun nga, sa career, ano yung na-achieve mo sa career. Naisip ko naman, ito na may isip ko, if not that, then what?
Ah, ah, ah.
Right? And I don't know the answer to that. Pero ako, it's okay. And so what? If that's who I am.
Mm. Mm.
Right?
Mm.
Parang
Mm.
what's the problem with that? Parang what's the problem with parang associating my identity in being married or having a family or
Ah,
having
ah.
kids? What is the problem? And I'm not ano din naman questioning yung credibility ng mga nagsasabi nito. My only question is
Mm.
if not that, what? Sabihin niyo din sa akin kung ano yon. O so kayo nga ano,
Mm.
'di ba? Parang hindi ko pa na masyado nare-research kung ano yung sagot dun. Pero ikaw, ano sa tingin mo?
Mm. Ako, paano ba? I think okay, as inisip ko, okay lang. Okay lang na gano'n mo din i-introduce yung sarili mo. Kasi it doesn't, parang ang ano naman is yung your own satisfaction, kumbaga.
Mhm.
Parang what is what i- how do you define, paano mo kilala? Parang it goes back to paano mo ba kilala yung sarili mo? Yung
Mhm.
gano'n. So kung yun yung parang you're parang you're proud that you're a
Mhm.
mom and you're a wife to this
Mhm.
person and to your
Mhm.
kids. Kung ganun mo ipakilala yung sarili mo, that's okay. Kasi that's what you're proud of eh. Yun talaga, yun
Mhm.
talaga yung goal mo eh, right? Na
Mhm.
yun, you're known to that. And syempre,
Mhm.
saan ka ba mas importante? Syempre, di ba, hindi naman sa
Mhm.
bagong kakalala mo lang or
Mhm.
someone at work, 'di ba? It's your family naman eh,
Mhm.
who you're close with. So, in that I think that's okay. I think that's
Ano?
fine. Yeah.
Oo,
Mhm.
kasi minsan parang naisip ko, mali ba yun? Parang tuloy
Oo. Tama
question mo
naman.
yung sarili mo,
Ah,
right?
ah.
Oo. So,
Mm.
I think sa mga listeners natin, it's okay kung ganun
Hmm.
ka. As long as
Hmm.
you know who you are and you're happy with who you are, and
Hmm.
it should be okay. Parang hindi dahil dapat masyado
Hmm.
na pressure na, kailangan meron akong ganitong klaseng identity, 'di ba?
Hmm.
Parang sometimes as you strive towards getting whatever that kind of identity that you want, you also lose
Hmm.
yourself, 'di ba? So siguro mas maganda stop and think, okay, ito ba talaga yung gusto ko? Ito ba yung gusto kong maging ako, right? And am I happy
Hmm.
with it? If the answer is no, then okay, change mo.
Hmm. Hmm.
Work for
Hmm.
it to change to whatever identity you want. Parati
Hmm.
kong
Hmm.
iniisip yun, hindi yun nawawala sa isip ko kasi parati ko nakikita yun sinasabi nila, okay, then you're associating your identity to your work or whatever. And so what, 'di ba? If that's
Oo,
something that
oo.
proud of, to your point, if that's something that you're really
Hmm,
good at, and so okay, why not?
hmm,
Yeah.
okey. Yeah, so yun nga sabi yung parang yung mga bagay na ay ngayon at this age, it's okay na hindi sobrang planado,
Mm.
hindi sobrang perfect like itong podcast
Mhm.
natin, basta sinimulan natin, 'di ba?
Yeah.
And it may not be, kumbaga sometimes when we start, kaya siguro kaya hindi siya perfect kasi gano'n talaga, eh. We will just have to make progress as we
Yes.
go, okay? After we start something.
Mhm.
Ngayon, dun sa mga listeners natin,
Yes.
'di ba? Siguro after hearing this,
Mhm.
ano kaya yung what do we want them to feel
Mhm.
after them hearing yung pag-uusap natin,
Mhm.
'di ba? Ano tingin mo yung what do we want them to feel after hearing us
Mhm.
dito sa
I
pag-uusap
think
natin?
yeah, I think I want them to feel and take away na sometimes it's okay for if you're trying to figure it out, like if you don't know, if you have dreams or yun nga, kanina sabi mo, okay, I got it, and then so what? After that, what's
Mm,
next? And if you
hmm,
don't know the answer to that, it's okay, right? You just have to
hmm,
be parang, I mean, okay with that, be comfortable with that. Because I think if you get into a position where you're parang, alam mo yun, nagiging anxious ka or you start to spiral about, okay, bakit hindi ko alam? Lalo
oo,
kang mapupunta sa headspace na wala kang hindi mo alam mo yun, wala kang way to explore and be self-aware. Okay, ano yun?
hmm,
Kasi it'll eventually
hmm,
come to you, 'di ba? If you are in the
hmm,
right mindset, if you're in the right headspace. So, I think yun, they have to find, and I hope they find comfort na merong mga iba't ibang situation tayo sa buhay, and that's okay. Parang you just have to really look inward. Parang minsan na kailangan maging introspect tayo. And para
mm,
maintindihan natin ano ba talaga yung gusto ko sa buhay? Gusto ko ba 'to? And if not, start doing something about it, right? To your point, you don't have to be perfect
mm,
right away. You just have to
mm,
start. And then, go from there. Sabi mo nga, one step closer. Sometimes mas okay
hmm,
yun kaysa like jumping the gun and
hmm,
parang breaking your heads in yourself to
hmm,
just getting there kung ano yung iniisip mo eventually na gusto mo maging ultimate
mm,
goal. Pero most of the time, based on our experience, di naman tayo super
hmm,
experienced, pero we have enough experience na when you get there, hindi yun yun eh. It's not the end all
hmm,
be all. You will still feel na, meron pa. So, it's okay. Just calm down.
hmm. Yeah,
Darating ka
I
rin
know,
dyan.
right?
Mm.
Correct. And alam mo, iniisip ko rin minsan na parang, yung nung bata ako, yung mga
Mm.
40s, pag 40 ka na, sobrang tanda mo na.
Totoo!
'Di ba?
Pero do you feel that
40 na
way?
siya. Nung nandun na tayo ngayon nandito na tayo sa age na
Oo,
yon, it's
oo.
not pala, right?
Totoo.
Pero parang iniisip ko din naman nung bata tayo, ta's 'pag binibigyan tayo ng, parang advices
Mm.
na or advice ng mga 40s and
Mm,
above,
mm.
marunong ka ba parang ano ka maldita ka, marunong ka pa sa'kin ano, ganyan. Alam mo yun, parang
Oo.
iniisip mo na. And I was thinking dun sa makikinig sa'tin na mas bata,
Mhm.
na it's okay that, you don't feel na parang the things that we're saying here is not resonating to you kasi parang sabi mo pakalamera ka tayo or something, right? It's okay. But we know that you will
Yes.
also realize na once you come to this age na tama kami.
Totoo. Actually, totoo 'yan.
Ayun.
Totoo 'yan.
Oo. So kasi sabi nga,
100%. Mm.
hindi natin sila mabe-blame na to tell them na parang experience would be the best teacher. Kasi gano'n talaga may mga tao na nakikinig lang and then,
Mm.
follows instruction. Unfortunately hindi ako 'yon. So pero so 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 gano'n. Pero
Oo.
pero gano'n, it's okay. There are things na parang we
Mhm.
learn differently, kumbaga.
Yes.
So, but what I want them to feel is
Yes.
na parang regardless, porque may edad ka na, bata ka pa, may pamilya ka, may career ka, you have it all together, it doesn't mean na you don't have the right to dream pa.
Yes.
Kahit sobrang simple lang, ma-learn lang yung
Yeah.
ganitong, yung pagluto ng ganito, pagluto ng ganyan, or, play a guitar or something.
Yes.
So, ayun. So, I think, that's what I want them to feel.
Cool.
Meron ka bang
100%.
gustong tanungin sa natin, sa mga listeners natin or viewers natin?
Siguro tell us if we are, ano yun? Kumaas yung gusto kong sabihin.
Sige, kaya mo
Yung
yan.
words ko, if we are, oh my God, I don't know the word. Kung nasa-satisfy ba natin yung expectations nila? I just don't wanna use the word satisfy. Pero are we meeting? Ayun, are we meeting your expectations? Is there anything else that you want us to discuss? I think, and I appreciate yung mga nagko-comment na kung ano yung gusto nilang pakinggan. So,
Yeah.
know that we
Agree.
are reading them and that we are considering them. So, and we wanna
Right.
hear more. So,
Right.
yun.
Okay.
Ikaw?
Yeah, so, nung sinabi mo yun na parang nung last time na sinabi ko, nung 40s ba natin, I mean, yung 20s and 30s natin, mahalaga sa atin na we're accepted. That's why maybe we haven't started a podcast or being a social media. We post on something in social media kasi nga parang we fear that we don't get the clicks and likes and what. Kasi alam ko, parang gusto kong kainin actually yung part na sinabi ko doon. Kasi it matters. Sometimes, actually, not sometimes. It matters. Sometimes ano ba sabi ko? Walang sometimes. Yung kulit ko. It matters din. Kasi when you put, and masatisfy ka kahit may isang comment lang actually na parang they're trying to engage with you.
Yes.
So, yun. Ako, I felt that even na, tapos ilan na yung comment on our first, because iniisip ko na, hindi, it doesn't matter kahit ilan yan. Okay, but when I saw the comments, tas may likes and the views, kahit gaano kakonti yan or gaano kadami yan, yeah, agree with you. Nakakatuwa siya. It gives you somehow na parang I'm doing, the right thing. Ganon. So, ayun. So, siguro ako, question ko sa kanila would be, ano ba yung dream na they've been postponing? Okay?
Yes.
Kahit hindi bongga. Ayan. Right. So, kahit hindi yan kailangan maging perfect. You just have to start.
Yeah, and one other question, ano pa yung what drives them pa? Right? If they have dreams pa that they're chasing, ano yung nagmo-motivate sa kanila to drive and to continue chasing the dream or the goal that they're doing? Para it will inspire us as well na, emulate it in others that are part of the community. Share ko lang bago tayo mag-end. When I was setting up our Instagram, diba? And I was changing it to personal to professional para merong other stuff, right? Other functions. It was asking, anong category do we belong, right? So meron dun mga business, whatever. And then, I sabi ko, parang hindi. None of these resonate. The only thing that resonated to me is community. Right? So I hope that's what I want us to build sana, no, na a community of people, like-minded people or people that, that can relate to our conversation or know someone na is going through the same thing or has gone through the same stuff that we had gone through. So yun, I want sana we can build that type of community. It's having a sense of community is important kahit nasa digital world pa tayo, no?
Agree ako doon para we can share doon. Tapos syempre based tayo, we can give advices din. Doon lang syempre sa gustong, mag-accept ng advice.
Yes,
Okay, we will not push it. Okay, but it's okay to share. Sila din, we will learn definitely. Kung ano yung experience natin may be different with what they experience. So they can share that and people like us and others can learn from it. So yeah, I think that's a
So mas
good
mahaba-haba yung
point.
episode natin this time. Sana hindi na sila nabitin. It's good na sabi nila, marami mga nagsabi na nabitin sila last time. So sana this is enough for today's episode.
Agree. Oo nga ako, asawa ko nga sabi niya, ang
Nabitin
bilis
daw.
daw eh. Oo, 'di ba? So,
Oo.
ayun. Now, magka-close na ba tayo?
Yes, oo.
Oh.
Yes, we have to.
Uy, ano pa pala,
Oh,
ang tawag dito,
oh,
yung susunod nating episode, anong topic
hmm.
natin?
Ano ko, may naisip
What
ka
do you
na ba?
think?
I think ako, ang suggestion ko, and we can deliberate after and see, surprise
Sige.
kung ano yung kung mapipili natin. Pero ang suggestion ko is, ano yung, what kind of friendships do we have at this age? You know, having a busy schedule, juggling a lot of different things at 40s, no? During our 40s, marami na tayong responsibilities. What kind of friendship can
Oh.
we keep, di
Ay,
ba?
sige, curious
And
ako
meron
sa'yo.
ba? Oo, sige.
Oo.
Gusto mo to? Gusto mo to topic na to?
Sige, sige, sige.
Sige.
Oo. Para ma-bash ko
Okay.
yung mga friends ko. Charot.
Okay. Sige.
Sige.
Okay, sige. So,
Okay,
yun.
so, thank you for listening to another episode of M Talk. So today we talk about dreams after 40, the dreams we had, the dreams we lost, the dreams that changed, and the dreams that were brave enough to start again. So if you're listening and you feel like it's too late, we hope that this episode reminds you that it's not too late, and maybe your dream is just just needed a different season. So see you in our
Amen.
next episode.
Yes, thank you. Bye.
Bye.